will show you step by step how you can change photo or image background on Canva just in few minutes. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you just need to go to your Canva homepage like this, okay? And click over here on upload, and you need to upload your picture, okay? Click on choose file. You need to upload your picture that you want to change the background for, okay? So I'm gonna upload my picture from my laptop. Choose your picture will be like this. Click on open, and it's gonna take you to this page. Click over here on use in new design, okay? And you need to choose the size of your picture. So you can click on custom size and you can put your own size, or you can choose those size that are suggested by Canva. If you are making this picture for Facebook post, you can choose this size. If you are making this picture for Facebook cover, choose this size. So for me, I'm gonna just click with this one, Facebook post, and you will be directly in this page like this, okay? What you need to do next, click on your picture, click over here on edit image, scroll down, click over here on background remover. Okay, so first we need to remove the background of your picture, then we can use a different background. And here you go, your background will be removed. Click on your picture like this, click on this 3 points, and click over here on detach image from background like this. Okay, what you need to do next, click over here. So just leave this picture like this. What you need to do next, click over here and click on elements, click on the search for any background that you want to use. So for me, I'm gonna search for natural background. I will click on photos, and you will find a different background over here. I'm gonna choose this one. Just click on the background picture that you want to use. Your background picture will be over here. Click on this 3 points and scroll down. Let me show you. I'm gonna make this page like this. Click on your background picture and click on set image as background like this. Click on your picture and put your picture here like this, and here you go, your background will be changed. Okay, that's how you can change a background of picture or photo in Canva, easy and simple. If you want to add your own background picture, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So just delete this background picture, okay? Click on the background picture, so let me show you. Click on your background picture, click over here on delete, and your background picture will be deleted. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your own background that you want to use as a background from your laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna upload, for example, so let me see if I can find some pictures here. I'm gonna upload, for example, this one as an example, and your picture will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your picture will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set image as background, okay? And here you go. After you finish, click on share, scroll down, click on download, click again on download, and this picture will be downloaded to your laptop. That's how you can change a background photo on Canva, easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.